Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com. Now, I was just preparing for my class tomorrow, technical analysis for non-technicians, though I am calling it from chaos to patterns because that's basically what I'm going to be showing people how to do. I consider the course I'm teaching tomorrow to be a foundational concept. In other words, you need a solid foundation if you want to become a better trader, and this is one of those things that you need to know. Like, this is rebar, this is a post-tension slab for you, and so you definitely need that, okay? But one of the things that I was doing as I was going through this, I actually just finished a strategy session for our members. I was telling them how easy it was to look at charts, and I was just kind of banging through a bunch of charts, just looking at a bunch of charts. No, yo. And then I found this one, IHS Markit info, and so I wanted to pass this on to you. This looks like it's setting up to be a pretty good trade. I'd like to see it kind of tighten up a little bit more, but the fact that the stock fell one big down day on huge volume, and then the next another with slightly heavier volume, and then here another high volume day, right? Well, the close was higher than the open. So even though the stock closed lower than the prior day, this was actually the first day where buyers really showed up. And then for the next week and a half or so, buyers have still stayed there. So the way I'm looking at this trade is right about 66 bucks or so is where the buyers live. Now, I don't know how much higher the stock's going to go before the sellers show up, but the way I'm seeing this is a stock that's kind of doing this type of thing. So we want to see this thing pinch a little bit more. They don't report earnings until January now, so I think this stock is poised for a move higher. What I would suggest you do, set an alert at the top here, 67.54. Set an alert at like 67.60. And then if the stock's up there and it's on heavier than average volume for that time of day, I think you can buy it. And you just keep a stop maybe 3%, 3.5% below where you got it. So also, look, again, I'm teaching this class tomorrow, and it's for members only. It's free. After that, it's not going to be free. It's not even going to be free for members. We're going to make it available for a cost. We haven't priced it yet. My sense is we should at least charge maybe 300 bucks for it because, yes, it's that good. But you're going to get it tomorrow for free. You just have to be a member. And if you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, just join for a trial membership. I don't want your money. Not for another 30 days. If you're still around in 30 days, I darn sure want your money. But for now, just join. You can cancel if you don't like the course. It's fine. I don't take it personal because I don't know you. But this is a really good course for you to take. So if for no other reason than you just want to get Dan's course for free, go ahead and sign up, okay? Hope to see you tomorrow.